What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is going to be a review for US Mobile. They are a prepaid carrier, and ultimately you can choose between a GSM network, which ends up being T-Mobile, or a Super LTE network, also known as Verizon. Now, they don't exclusively tell you those are the networks, but if you do speed tests and you dig a little bit deeper, you notice that it is T-Mobile on the GSM side and the Super LTE side is Verizon. Now, in terms of plans, you have a lot of selection. You have plans as low as $10 if you don't want any data. So you can get unlimited talk and text for $10, or you can go all the way up to $30 for 30 gigs of data, unlimited talk and text. Or if you want unlimited everything, check this out. So for one line, it's $45, unlimited data, talk and text. Or if you have 3+ lines, it's as little as $25 per line for, again, unlimited everything. Also take note that if you want a hotspot with the unlimited plan, it's going to be $10 for 20 gigs of the high-speed data. Also, a little small print on the unlimited plans. All unlimited plans on the Super LTE, which is the Verizon, are uncapped and unthrottled. So you can use as much data as you want. You will not be slowed down. Unlimited plans on the GSM LTE, or also known as the T-Mobile side, get 50 gigs of high-speed data, and a tiny fraction of heavier data users may notice reduced speeds afterwards. Hotspot data, if added, includes 20 gigs and is part of the total high-speed data allotment. And that's not all. So it did say LTE in there, but you actually will get up to 5G speeds, and I'll show you that in a minute. But also, they give you a bunch of freebies, up to 2 freebies. Check this list out. So if you get one of their unlimited plans, you get access to up to 10 different music plans that you can choose from, or a bunch of video plans, as you can see right here. Even gaming plans, PlayStation Plus, Xbox Live, Stadia Pro, and even Apple Arcade. If you have 4 unlimited data plans, you can actually choose 2 of these for completely free. Otherwise, if you have 3 or under, you can choose 1. Now, they set me up with a little promo code where it will save you $20 off your first month's bill, and also give you the free SIM starter kit. Now, what's cool about the starter kit is you'll actually get SIM cards for the T-Mobile side and the Verizon side. So if your phone works better on one or the other, you can just pop that SIM card out and activate it on their website, or you can activate both of them for 2 different phones, or even the same phone if you wanted to. Now, just speed tests running that I did on my phones, I noticed I was getting much higher speeds on the T-Mobile side versus Verizon, but both of them were pretty rock solid with anything that I did in terms of video streaming, music streaming, playing games on there, downloading apps, phone calls, text messages, anything that I was doing. And because where I live, it's pretty populated and it's not like in the middle of nowhere, so we basically have good speeds and reliability with these carriers overall. So I was very happy. But I'm telling you, the speeds on T-Mobile are ridiculous. I was getting up to like 600 down versus about maybe 50 on Verizon, but still, both speeds are plenty enough to do whatever you want. Now, a big part of these prepaid carriers is customer service, and I got a little mixed up myself, not knowing, because they sent me out a SIM card and they were like, activate this. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this activated. And what I didn't know is already activated by US Mobile before they sent it to me for review. But again, I didn't know that. So I ended up having to, because I didn't know, chat with their support online, and chat support was super helpful, very quick, and ended up telling me, hey, it's already activated. So it saved me time. They were nice, it was quick, and I literally talked with them at like 11 p.m. Pacific time. So basically you can chat with them basically whenever you want, and that'll fit your schedule. So I loved that. I was able to chat and didn't have to call into anybody. So all pluses with the customer service on my side. Now you can bring unlocked phones to them, or you could even check your T-Mobile or your Verizon phone to see if it is compatible with their service. Also, they do sell their own unlocked phones, which is, again, a plus there. And with their unlocked phones, you can end up getting a free SIM card, which is great because you don't even have to put the little promo code unless you want to save $20 as well. But you'll get a free SIM card with it, free shipping, and it just works out where you can choose whatever starter kit or SIM card that you need and get your phone loaded up. So I think the main reason you would probably want to sign up with US Mobile is that you have two of the very best, here in America anyway, carriers for different reasons. Obviously, AT&T is a great carrier, don't get me wrong, but T-Mobile is that carrier that keeps seemingly pushing the envelope with their service and trying to grow bigger and better. And again, the speeds, at least what I'm getting, really showed that. But then at the same time, if you want that, huge, reliable, or quote unquote reliable network all across America, what Verizon is really known for, you also get the choice of that. So I love that US Mobile gives the option of being able to sign up for really any network that you want, ever be the Verizon one or the T-Mobile one, and you get the choice with whatever service works best in your area. You can end up doing that, and the prices are amazing. I mean, they're very competitive with the market, don't get me wrong, but $45 getting up to two free gifts, I guess, one or two free gifts, $45 a month if you're a single line with unlimited everything is really good. And then you're not getting slowed down. You're getting, up to 4K video streaming. I tried it on my iPhone and I tried it on my Galaxy phone with the 4K streaming on their networks. That worked without a hiccup. It worked fantastic. Downloading apps, like I said, doing that stuff, video chatting, whatever I was doing worked really well with really good speed and reliability. So I would highly give the 2 thumbs up to US Mobile. There's other good ones out there, don't get me wrong, and they all offer a little bit of everything, but I love the free gifts. I love being able to choose the multiple carriers, and then the reliability of those 2 networks overall works really well. And also the customer service is really good as well. So if you want to sign up, it's linked down below. If you do use my promo code, just know that you have to set up an account first on their site. Just create an account, that's free. And then when you go to add that SIM card starter kit, you'll be able to enter in the promo code, and that'll give you the promo code for free, and then you'll get like a $20 coupon in your email that you can use with your first month of service. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys down the road.